Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if the PPP link protocol was terminated on your Windows computer when attempting to make a VPN or virtual private network connection. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the Start menu, type in Control Panel. Best result should come back with Control Panel listed right above App. Go ahead and left click on that. Set your view by up here to Category View, and then select Network and Internet. Select where it says View Network Status and Task. On the left side, select where it says Change Adapter Settings. And now you'd right click on whatever your VPN adapter is here. So in my case, I do not have a VPN adapter, but what you would do is right click on it. Again, it would probably say VPN in the name of the adapter, and you would select Properties. There would be a tab that would say Security. You go ahead and left click on the Security tab, and then you would select where it says Allow these protocols, and then it would list out protocols, and there would be about 4 checkboxes underneath of it. You would only have the Microsoft CHAP version 2 checkmarked, and then you would select OK. Then you would select OK to close out of it, and then you would restart your computer. And then once you tried to connect back to your Wi-Fi settings, you would be able to hopefully access the VPN over here in your network settings. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.